Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Valentine Day nail art design step by step guide. Got lots of red nail polish left over from the holiday season. Good news, you can use it for Valentine Day nail art. The color is classic, year round of course, but with love in the ear and hearts, serving as a main symbol of the Moshiach day of the year. Red is the official color of Valentine Day and thus a solid choice for celebrating via manicure. In fact, it was a challenge to find Valentine's Day inspired nail art that didn't feature red or pink, but don't worry, we did it. Gods deserve to celebrate love too. When you say red or pink Valentine Day, nails are a solid choice. That doesn't mean you have to stick to a solid shade when you do your nails for Cupid's birthday. Number one design, let's talk to design number one, gold dipped. Welcome to our favorite kind of manicure. Looks extremely professional but easy to recreate at home with the right tools. Nail artist Riza started with the coat of her favorite sheer base polish. She added a half layer of Kino gold foil flakes, which are supposed to look abstract and uneven. Next, she used her temper to add a mix of white and red herds before finishing with a glossy top coat. Folks who can't fresh hand paint, this look is for you. Number two design is Ace of Hearts. Nail artist reminds that the finding love is all about the luck of the draw. With the design, this mimics a deck of cards. She used a classic red polish from Easy 2020 Valentine Day collection, now out of stock, but this year love not worthy. Blue tone red will to unique nicely as a replacement to print the numbers and suits in this instantly recognizable tribal. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.